Okay, so now we've learnt a lot of skills in Microsoft Word, we're going to look at a couple of extension skills. The first of which is going to be headers and footers. Now, what you may have noticed is, I said at some point that if you write anywhere, you can double click. So if I'm on my other page, I can double click and the cursor will move there and I can start writing. Some of you have double clicked at the top and it's kind of greyed out the writing and the images, and it's got something at the top. That is what we call a header, and at the bottom is a footer. Now, a header and footer is basically for information on your page that you can have on every single page. So it might be a page number, it might be your name or the title of your work or something like that. So it's quite useful. It's not the main body of your work, it's not the main body of your document, but it's like other useful information. So you can either open it by double clicking, or you can go insert and you've got header or footer. Okay, so if you click header, you can go to edit header. So one thing I quite like to do is type my name in on a piece of work. So if I put my name in, Harvey, so this is my piece of work here on Super Mario that I've made, and then I can click close header and footer, and Mr. Harvey has appeared there. But if I scroll down here, it's now on the top of this second page that I've done. If I edit it, so if I double click there, I'm going to highlight it, and I can do the same thing I can do with normal writing. Make it look a bit nicer. I can put it in the center if I want. I can do all the sorts of things that I could always do. Now if I close that, I go design and I close that, it's changed on the first page as it has on the second page. So it's always exactly the same. The same with the bottom, so the bit at the bottom, which is the footer. Okay, we tend to put page numbers into the footer. So the way you can do that is, there's two ways you can put them into the footer. You can either open the footer up, go to the header and footer design section and choose page number, okay, current position, or if I close that, you can go insert page number and you can choose where you want your page number. So I'm going to put it bottom of the page, and I like this style. It automatically sets the style up for us. Notice that this is highlighted, it's kind of a grey colour. You don't want to delete that bit, but you can change the other sections if you want. You can give them a different colour or a different font, or do whatever you want with those. But the thing to notice is that one page is there, so page 1 is there and page 2 is there. It's numbered them for me. If I hit enter a lot of times and go to another page, my header comes up, okay, the same as before, and my page number is there, but it says number 3 because this is now page 3, so it's added 1 to it. Okay, so if you have finished everything else, have a go at inserting some headers and footers and putting in automatic page numbers.